Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe of my version of the Goanese red fish curry, a spicy and tangy curry packed with flavors. To begin, soak 8 to 10 Kashmiri red chilies in hot water for 2 to 3 hours. Deseed them and blend them into a smooth paste. If you prefer a hot version, leave a few chilies with seeds. Take 500 grams of fish fillets. You can take any fish of your choice. Marinate with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Prepare the curry paste by blending together half a cup grated coconut, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 1 medium onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and 1 1/2 piece of ginger. Add the red chili paste prepared earlier. Add in the ground garam masala made from 6 cloves, 8 to 10 peppercorns, 5 green cardamoms, and 2-inch piece of cinnamon. Mix well. Next add 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera and 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania. Mix. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Traditionally, coconut oil is used. I am using refined oil. Pour in the masala. Saute until you can no longer smell the rawness of ginger and garlic. Add in enough water. Cover it with a lid and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the fish fillets. Check the salt and add more if required. Cover it with the lid again and let it simmer until the fish is cooked. The Goanese red fish curry is ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.